Patriotic 14-inch cutting board. What I love about this is it's stoneware, and for the last 21 years we have been reintroduced to stoneware and reimagining what it can do. This is, maybe it's a cutting board, maybe it's a serving platter, but it's dishwasher, microwave, fridge, freezer, and oven safe. So now not only are we getting that beautiful red, white, and blue, we're getting it in a super versatile piece. It's a clearance price of $13.80. You're getting the old world and the floral lace patterns represented here, and of course one that you can use all summer long, quite frankly all year long, with the little star cut out in the handle. It's 50% off. Yeah, I know. It's 16 1/8 inches by 9 3/8 inches, and it has a little depth to it with that beveling too. Lisa Lasorte is coming back in to talk to us about all the details here and create some buzz about this item, because I can think of about 4 things I want to do with it right out of the gate, Lisa.
All right, Mary, I want to start actually right on food then, because here's the deal. This is a stoneware that you've known and loved for 21 years. And yeah, we're calling it a cutting board. It is so much more. And at this value, pick up 1, 2, 3, because this is going to be your summer platter. Look at our fruit tart that we baked right in here. It is 14 inches this way. It's about 9.5 inches wide. It has the cutout right here, so if you want to hang it, it has detail. It's just absolutely gorgeous. It's our patriotic pattern right there, with what we have, our red, white, and blue Americana that I know you love, Mary. It is beveled at the bottom, so it has, like, if you want to put anything that has sauces or gravies or your steaks in here, no problem at all. But everything from fruit tarts to charcuterie boards. Look how gorgeous this is. It'll keep it nice and cold, to putting your barbecue on here and serving hot dogs, hamburgers, desserts, cupcakes, anything you need. Think of Memorial Day, July 4th. Get jump-started, Mary. I don't think I've ever seen a platter for $13 and change ever that we've had. This is some value.
I mean, $13.80. So Mother's Day, Father's Day is around the corner. I mean, add it to your other red, white, and blue pieces. But I love how you had it. It was a charcuterie board. It was, you know, your tray for serving at the barbecue. $13.80 for this?
Yeah.
I mean, that's,
yes.
This is one of the, if I found this in a, like a secondhand store, I would be like, y'all, $13.80 and run. The fact that you're getting, this is new and you're getting it for $13.80. So, I mean, I love the fact that it looks like a platter. I love the little star cutout too, but also the versatility that is Temp-tations is still in effect here.
That's right. Oven safe to 500 degrees, microwave, refrigerator, freezer safe. Pop it in the dishwasher to clean it. And when Tara designed this, I'm going to switch to this one. This is a handle on the side. So yeah, it's so cute, but this is what we're known for: versatility, innovation. Yeah. So now that beautiful star cutout is my handle. So when I'm taking this out of a hot oven, I have a way to grab it. When I'm taking it out of the microwave, this is all hand painted, touched by artisans, not only on the top when you look down on it, but on the sides. So there's detail everywhere. Yeah. I get really excited when I see something at this value, because I know you're going to get it home and you're going to say, how do they only pay $13 and change for this?
I know.
This is crazy.
I mean, the fact that it's 4 easy payments of $3.45. Listen, obviously this is a no reorder situation. So yes. You're getting an incredible piece for $13.80. And I look at this and think, okay, I'm going to use this all summer long. But it also goes with my reds and my blues and, you know, anything festive. It's just, and it's got a little beveling to it. So if I have something with a sauce, it's not going to spill over the side.
And look, we love the USA. So to celebrate our country every month of the year is amazing. And to get ready for, like we said, Memorial Day, Labor Day, July 4th now, because you know what happens as we get closer, none of these pieces are available anymore. So how smart to get it now. Get ready, bring it to the barbecue, bring it to the lake, put it in your camper, and you are ready to go. And you do it in Temp-tations style. That makes sense, right? Because this is a workhorse in your kitchen at the end of the day, which is why it becomes an essential piece in your kitchen.
That's exactly right. Now, as I mentioned, we had 21 items in our show that were less than $30. This one is very popular in the Kitchen with Mary today. This one is a clearance price of $13.80. It's 50% off. I thought $28 was a good deal, and then I saw $13.80, and I was like, well, what? I think at this price, this is a definitely pick up more than one, which, Jonathan, is anybody doing that right now? Anybody picking up more than one? Yeah, a lot of people. I would too. Mm-hmm. We only have 2,400 remaining. I'm sure it's popular in the show, but it's a clearance price and it's a no reorder. So grab it. We've had almost 400 ordered in the show. So I love the fact that you're seeing the deal here. And I love the fact that it is stoneware. I mean, I don't want that to slip by. This is where you can bake. You can put it in the fridge, prep in advance, and get it into the refrigerator and keep it cold. I like the fact, too, that when it's all said and done, slam dunk it in the dishwasher.
That's exactly right. And by the way, here's the other thing I love. When you pick up multiples, look what you can do. You can, when you go to layer them when they're empty, you just stack them together. It's just like storing one. Because sometimes when you pick up seasonal patterns, you want to make sure the storage makes sense. This makes total sense. And the other thing, Mary, and I think you'll agree with me, if you're going to pick up a seasonal pattern, pick up a platter that becomes a baker, that becomes a server, because it's the most versatile piece in our line.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, I can't say it enough. Just in case somebody in the back didn't hear me, it's $13.80. Yeah, $13.80. And it's on 4 easy payments of $345. Grab it before it's gone. I know it's been popular in the show, but please don't let that stop you. Grab. Now more than 500 have been picked up. Case 64715. Lisa, thank you, my friend, for bringing all these great finds to the show.
Love seeing you, my friend. Hey, we'll see you on Wednesday.
Woohoo! I'll see you then. Bye for now. Hey,